All right, check this out. If you could have a waffle that looked like that on the inside and was all crunchy on the outside and was this big, wouldn't it be your favorite splurge for breakfast? Well, it is mine. These are my enormous waffles. Check out how easy they are to make. So this is how easy it is. You have your dry ingredients, your flour, your sugar, your salt, and your baking powder. Then you have your milk, eggs, vanilla extract, and your vegetable oil. You're gonna add all of those at once right in with the dry ingredients. Once everything is in the bowl, you can take your whisk and start mixing it up. Make sure you don't have any lumps. You want it nice and smooth. And then when your waffle iron is hot, you'll take a spoonful and put it right in the middle. Add a little bit more until it's almost to the edge. Once you close the lid, it's gonna squish that batter off into the side, so you don't want it to be overfilled. Maybe just a little bit more. You can see it's not quite going to the edge. There we go. That should do it. Close it up. You see that? It's steaming. That happens usually with mine. It doesn't mean it's burning though. Just getting hot. Oh man, does that look good or what? So in my house, we top our waffles with maple syrup, whipped cream, and berries. There we go. Because this is definitely a splurge. So ridiculously good. You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.